Hello everyone, Eileen here from the DT, back with you again, and I'm ready to share another Lavinia Stamps video tutorial. Today I'm featuring the pretty Lilium Flower on a very simple circle abstract background. Let me show you. I have a piece of Lavinia Stamps Multifarious cardstock in cream, and this is 9 centimetres in width by 14.5 centimetres in length. Then I've got a Lavinia Stamps Acetate Mask, popping it down over towards the middle. In fact, it's over a bit more. The edge of it is over more towards the left-hand side. And then, but not quite right, and then up a bit from the bottom. Okay, Archival Inks, French Ultramarine, Rose Madder, Chrome Yellow. Starting off with the blue and my Lavinia Stamps stencil brush. This down and then very lightly just round in a circle, heading towards the middle, not putting on too much ink. I want the flower to sing to me, like so, and then moving it over just a little and up. Pink brush, pink ink. Give me some nice purple tones too. Like so. And then moving it over again and up. On with the yellow, chrome yellow. They blend beautifully. You'll get some orange tones here as well now. Okay, then I'm moving over again, right to the edge here, and down a little, back to the blue. Not coming all the way down there, and then finally some more lemon, I think. Here, so that they're all intermingling, all these circles. Just a smidge there. I think that should do. It's different from the original configuration, but I don't dislike it. Let me show you the original card. So it's, yeah, I mean, with abstract, you're going to get different each time, aren't you? So I quite like that. Next, it's stamping the flower, the Lilium Flower. So I need my stamp mat here. And then the flower itself, of course. Absolutely beautiful. And first Fine Clair Nocturne. Make sure it's well inked, gentle tapping. Over it goes. Want it up a little from the bottom. Beautiful image. Got a tiny amount of ink there. I don't know how I got that there. Obviously it was on the block. but that's no matter. I'm going to get the Hills mask now, and you'll find these on the website as well. And just going to pop that on the bottom there, taking the pink brush just to ground the stem of the flower, and then up a bit and a little bit of blue, like so. And then with a white pen, you'll find this pigment ink pen on the website also. I'm going to pop in some white, one to cover that mark that I left in black, and two to add some interest along the bottom. There we are. Oh, I need that because I'm doing another stamp now. Finally, the word happiness, which I'm very sad to say I've lost. So I'm not so happy. But it's around somewhere. It's in my shack somewhere, but I just cannot find it. So I'm going to go with love. Gentle tapping with that. And then popping that down around about there, I think. And up. That's good. Right, a few final bits and pieces. I have some enamel accents here. And I'm going to pop on some dots as well on my flowers. Before I add those, I have got, as you can see on the original card, where is it? Here it is. I cut out one of the flower heads, added some colour, and popped that on a sticky pad to decoupage it. And I quite like that, but on this occasion, and I hope you'll forgive me because I do like to give you choice as well, I have cut it out again to save time. So get some spare card and ink up and stamp and etc. And I've got the sticky pad, but this time I'm not going to colour it in. I'm just going to leave it as it is, but of course it will be a raised image. And I love that as well. So pays your money, takes your choice. I'll show you both of them again at the end. I'll just finish this one off. So just some tiny dots in the black pigment ink coming up from the flower. Try not to overdo this. Just a little. I have overdone that one. I wonder if I can just put some white in to get rid of that. It's a dot with a tail on it. Looks more like a tadpole. Okay. That white will sink in the card. You won't even notice it. Right. And then finally, on the original again, I did some black enamel accents. Well, I thought white would make a nice change so that you can see both and do as you wish. So just starting the flow with that and then very gently. Oh, I've got something, there's got a bubble in that. Hold on a second. Take a piece of card, it's got an air bubble. I don't shake these because you mustn't shake them, but I don't know how that got there, but let's start the flow again. Oh, that's good. It is warm and these are flowing more than they usually do, I have to say. Three there. Smaller ones there, that's better. And then finally I'll have three here. I think that I won't chance my luck anymore. This is very fluid for some reason today. I can see another air bubble there. Let me see if I can get rid of that. There's a tiny air bubble in this one. Stubborn, doesn't want to go. Doesn't want to go, so I'm going to leave it, because otherwise I'll ruin the dome shape, which will alter the look of the whole thing. So, next. Have I forgotten anything? No, I think that's it. Good. Right. I enjoyed that. That was fun. Hope you did too. I'll just put my board back up and let you see both cards. So there's my original with the happiness, the coloured flower head and the black enamel accents. And then I've got the one that I've just made, as you can see, not coloured in the flower head. On reflection, I like that better, to be honest. Mainly because my colouring skills are pretty naff. But that looks okay. And with love. Oh, I need the card blank for this. So I've cut multifarious cardstock in cream. And I've cut it to the same length, which is 14.5 centimetres. But I've cut the width, what was it, 10.5 centimetres. So this will lay on there. So it's absolutely level, top and bottom, but it gives me a nice border at the sides. Thought it would be something a bit different. Lay those up properly before I leave you. Okay. Have a super weekend. Well, I hope that you've had a super weekend. And have a super week next week. See you again soon. Stay safe all. Bye for now. Thank you for looking.